What does it mean to be a part of something great? It means pushing the boundaries of what's expected, of what's possible. It means doing things differently, finding a better way, a smarter solution. It means taking responsibility for the future we create with every choice we make. It's a moment of pride when we realize we're shaping something spectacular. It's witnessing a difference, seeing how each project we touches countless lives. As weeks become months, drafts become blueprints, and as months become years, that very blueprint changes everything. From this higher perspective, we stand in awe of what we've built. We are proud of who we are today, of how far we've come. But success isn't static. Reinvention is essential, because as we evolve, so does our potential. This is urban evolution. This is Procura.